Hello everyone. Today we will demonstrate the installation of a double nut DFU5010 ball screw. First, prepare the following components. Main nut. DFU5010 secondary nut. Spacer. The spacer has 2 locating pins. Dust seals. For large and 4 small fixing screws. The required tools are 2 hex wrenches. Now, let's begin the assembly. When handling the nut, do not separate the sleeve from the nut. Otherwise, the balls may fall out. First, install the main nut. Pick up the main nut and align the sleeve with the screw shaft. Hold the sleeve firmly with your right hand, then slowly lower the main nut. Rotate the nut slowly until it engages with the screw shaft. Once the balls have fully entered the screw shaft, remove the sleeve. Now install the spacer. There are 2 positioning holes on the main nut and 2 locating pins on the spacer. Align the pins with the holes and insert the spacer into the main nut. You can also place the spacer on the main nut first, then align the holes and press it into position. Next, install the secondary nut. Hold the secondary nut in the same way as the main nut. There is also a locating pin here, which must align with the groove on the spacer. Pay special attention, the ball returner at this position is facing upward. Therefore, the corresponding ball returner on the secondary nut must also be positioned upward. After alignment, hold the sleeve firmly with your right hand and slowly rotate it downward. Once all balls have entered the screw shaft, remove the sleeve. Move the nut to the center position to prevent the balls from falling out. Place the ball screw horizontally. Now install the large hex screws. Tighten until secure, then apply a little extra force. Repeat on the other side. There are 4 screws in total. Install 1 screw on each side first. Do not fully tighten them at once. Once you feel resistance, apply just a little more force. Avoid over-tightening. Now install the dust seals. The grooved side faces outward, and the flat side faces the nut. Screw it in until it is flush with the nut surface. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now install the small screws for fixing the dust cover. Use a small hex wrench. Align with the screw hole and tighten slowly. Do not over-tighten. Stop once you feel slight resistance. There is another screw underneath. Flip it over and install the remaining screw. The installation of the DFU5010 double nut is complete.